Hi, Jan Spence, your Chief Encouragement Officer, back here with a Moving the Chains, Making Goals Achievable. So last week we got to see the interview with Spencer and Kara, the 7 and 9-year-old, and they shared with us their big audacious goals. And we learned from that we need to dream big dreams. We need to go back to our childhood and rejuvenate some of those childlike dreams that we have. And this all started from Kara's chore list. So Kara voluntarily started a chore list, which I equate to her goals. And we noticed that on Kara's chore list, there are 3 goals that are actually similar and tied together. So this week, I want to introduce you to the Target ABC goal setting method. So there's a free download. Be sure to download that as a tool. Share it with your family and friends. So what we know is that the target is that ultimate goal. That might be that lose 50 pounds, that big make X amount of money, get out of so much debt, sell so much product. And then we have the next outer goal, which is a step on the way there, which would be a next best goal. And then our outer circle is that first baby step, that step that we move in the right direction. So when we look at Kara's goals, we see that her big audacious goal is to love all animals. That next bigger step would be to pick up the dog poop. And then lastly, her first step would be to take Lila for a walk. What we know is that when the brain accomplishes that A or the B or the C, those endorphins rush through us and it tells our brain that we are successful at achieving goals. So even when we just do that baby step, it gives us that momentum to move toward that target. So, I love football. I'm getting ready for the big game, got my game day earrings on. And we know in football, American football, that the ultimate goal for the offense is to score a touchdown. That's that target goal. The next best goal is to make that first down so that we get 4 more tries at the touchdown. And then the last goal is just forward progress, moving the ball down the field toward the goal. So what is that forward progress for you this week? Maybe your goal is to do 10 prospecting calls a day, and the first baby step might be to just make 10 a week. And then even before that, the first thing is just to sit down and figure out who to call. But when you accomplish one thing, you are telling your brain that you are successful at making forward progress to achieve your goals. Remember, there is not enough snow on Mount Everest to keep you from reaching your goals.